So one of the things that I noticed that when you first get called to Japan is a lot of people initially are like, wow, that is so cool. It's going to be so hard. And that's certainly, I mean, missions are hard in general for different reasons, a good amount of the time. But I don't think that people understand the spiritual climate of Japan and where it's going to. When I was in the MTC, one of my teachers brought in a prophecy that President Eyring had actually given back in the 1990s. He gave it back when there was an MTC in Japan, and he was talking to the missionaries there. And essentially, the things that it mentioned in the prophecy were that those missionaries, their children, were going to grow up in a very different Japan. And that it would come to the point when people in Japan would be lining up at the missionaries to hear the gospel. And that they would be begging, and that they would be bringing their friends and bringing their family and searching for that light. And that the missionaries would have to turn people away for the amount of people that wanted to hear the gospel. And that it would be done because of the members and because of the effort that the members would give, and that their friends would see it and wonder about it and search for that same light. And he mentioned how not everyone would accept the gospel, but that many would. And over the last several decades, missionary work in Japan has been slow, and I certainly saw that. I had 2 of my investigators get baptized, which is more than some missionaries that I knew. But it should be known, and I would say that I have a testimony of that prophecy, and that being there and being with those saints and seeing those people and experiencing their culture, I know that it will come to that point when those people are ready for the gospel, and when Heavenly Father will finally be able to really push forth His missionary work in that part of the vineyard. And I know those people, and I know their hearts, and I know that they are just as valued as sons and daughters of God as all the other people in the world. And that the missionaries who are called there need to have that understanding and realize that even if it's not in the same time frame that they are there, that they are going to be influencing the people who will become members, who will start that chain reaction and make it so that Japan is growing as fast as Mexico or the Philippines or Brazil or some of those other places in the world that are growing and expanding so much, because those people are sons and daughters of God. And even though their culture is different, and even though it might be taking them longer to accept the gospel than some other places, their time is going to come. And Heavenly Father knows that, and I have a testimony of that. And I would encourage all missionaries who are called to that area of the Lord's vineyard to keep that in mind and see their investigators, to see the members as a part of something so much bigger than they might even realize at the time.